Want to build a mobile app without coding? Two AI-powered vibe coding tools are fighting for your attention, Dreamflow and Vibe Code. Both promise to turn your ideas into working apps in a few minutes, but they take completely different approaches. Let's break down which one deserves your money. So Dreamflow converts text descriptions into working Flutter application code, translating useful app possibilities from written words using natural language processing and machine learning to assess user needs. Dreamflow combines three services: a code editor, a visual builder, and an AI chat interface, so users can effortlessly transition between UI design, code editing, and natural language prompts. Vibe Code is the first mobile app that brings vibe coding directly to your phone, letting you design, build, and test apps entirely from your smartphone using React Native and Expo. Dreamflow's widget-based approach scales well as projects grow, and building a to-do app used just 2.48 credits, leaving plenty of room for experimentation on the free tier. With Dreamflow's workflow process, building apps feels more like a collaboration with a partner with a technical skill set, utilizing AI to understand your requirements and identify logical flaws. Meanwhile, Vibecode users report being able to build completely functional apps step by step without developer involvement or coding knowledge themselves. With responsive support teams, Vibecode provides comprehensive code download capabilities for full customization beyond visual interface, plus integration with N8N and Zapier. Dreamflow is built on Flutter, Google's UI toolkit. Dreamflow starts with a free plan, giving you 10 credits. The hobby tier costs $20 a month with 100 credits, deployment to web, iOS, and Android, and one-click code export. The Pro plan is $100 monthly with 260 credits and priority access to premium AI models. Vico offers a free tier with basic features and limited messages. The Plus plan is $20 a month with 120 messages, perfect for non-technical creators. Pro costs $50 monthly with 250 messages, SSH to cursor, and code downloads. Max is $200 a month with unlimited messages for teams and enterprises. Users report building fully functional, robust apps from a couple of $100, though simple apps can cost much less. The final verdict: choose Dreamflow if you want a quick prototyping with browser-based development and prefer Flutter's cross-platform capabilities. The platform is backed by Flutterflow's established ecosystem with over 2 million users. Dreamflow is ideal for rapid prototyping, but production-ready apps may need refinement. Pick Vibecode if you want the unique ability to build and test apps entirely from your smartphone using React Native with direct phone-based development and testing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.